Hello everyone, welcome back to the Saraba Informatics YouTube channel. I am Sarita. Today I am excited to introduce a powerful AI research tool that will save you hours of time. It's called AnswerThis.io. Once you log in, you will see this clean and simple dashboard on the left. You have all the main tools: new query, AI writer, library, search papers, citation map, diagram, and many tools. You can explore everything from literature search to research writing all in one place. Literature review tools. This is one of the most powerful feature on Answer This. You just type your research topic, our question, for example, bioinformatics, and it's give you a structure overview, key point from top research papers, line by line citation, and related studies instantly. Perfect of writing your thesis background of review a topic quickly. AI writer. This AI writer help you generate content like abstract, introduction, discussion section, and even full summarize, all based on your selected research topic. You can choose tone, format, and even whether to include citation. This is a game changer for paper writing. Third section, library. This library is where all your saved papers, project, and AI written content and stored. You can organize your work into folder, keep track of draft, and manage reference for multiple research projects in one place. 4 section search papers. This tool help you search publish research papers across trusted database. You can filter by author, date, keyword, or even citation type. No need to go multiple sites like PubMed or Google Scholar. Answer this bring it all into one place. And 4 section citation map. The, tis- the citation map visually shows how different research papers are connected through citation. This helps you identify core papers in your field, follow citation trails, and discover new references you may have missed. Six section diagram tools. These tools allow you to create custom scientific diagram easily. Whether it's pathways, workflow, or molecular process, you can make and save visual directly inside the platform, ready to add into your presentation or publication. 7 section projects. The project feature help you group all related source documents and citation under one research topic. For example, if you are working on a dissertation or a paper, everything can be organized into one project folder. Very helpful for staying structured. Mini tools. In the mini tools section, you get quick access feature like flag check, sentence rewriting, abstract sorting, citation formatting, and more. These are small but very helpful when you need to polish your research content quickly. So, in short, answerthis.io is your complete AI powered research assistant from searching papers, writing and content to organize projects and creating diagrams. It's built for student researcher and PhD scholars like you. It normally costs $35 per month. But with my Sarabah Informatics link, you get full access with premium features. Check the link in the description. Try AnswerThis.io now and supercharge your research workflow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to more tools like this. Thank you for watching Sarabah Informatics YouTube channel.